Hello, welcome to 6.1 day 2. We're going to identify functions from tables. Again, no steps today. More conceptual lesson. So vocab, same thing. Remember that, keep thinking about that vending machine. What goes in should only get one thing that comes out. And let's look. So we got inputs and outputs. And as I told you in the last video, inputs are X's, outputs are Y's. We do not care about the output. Because on a working vending machine, every button, there should only be one button that gets you one output. So if we have any duplicate buttons here, it is not a function. So I got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. None of those repeat, so this is a function. Again, same thing with this one. We got X, Y. We do not care about the Y's. We got to make sure we have one of every type of button. I got 1, 5, 4, 1, 7. Uh-oh. I said 1 twice. And so if there's two X's that are the same, that means we have the same button and they're giving us two different outputs over here. That means it is not a function. Do another example. So X, Y, cross out your Y's, and let's look. We have 53, 24, 32, 17, 45. That is a function. No repeating numbers. X, Y, cross out the Y's. Let's just focus on the X's. I got 14, 8, 7, 27, 36, 8. The 8s repeat. I have a broken vending machine. This is not a function. One more. Okay, again, X, Y, cross out your Y's. I got 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. Uh-oh, I got 2 4s. That is a broken vending machine. That is not a function. Let me know if you have any questions.